Well, having another thrilling day out here in the woods. High is supposed to be about 85 today, and we got a nice wind today, nice breeze. Anyway, you see that leaner over there, that's a double white oak I just dropped. You see that one laying there, that was one we dropped yesterday. I worked into this spot from the west, and I just dropped a pecan right here, and dropped that pecan for that white oak at center frame. Let me move here so you can see it. So we can look up, we can see that's a nice tree. Come back down. There's a nice tree, nice white oak center frame. You see a dead ash between here and there, and another dead ash. And there's a little white oak here. See right here behind me, there's another nice white oak. Another one back there behind him. And you see there's a nice white oak out there. Anyway, this one right here, it's stuck right in between there and here. I'm guessing there's about 25 feet between that one and this one. And this one's plugging up the hole between them here. So we're going to knock this one down. And let me see if I can set this on this log here. Boy, I've been fighting the multiflora rose today. Oh my gosh. Let it go. There we go. Got it on there. Anyway, we'll do a face. Cut out half of the back. And not sure, it looks like it's pretty well balanced. So I'll cut out half of the back, cut out the other half of the back, and then wedge it over. Okay, here we go. It's a good thing we put the wedge in. When I cut that back strap, I saw it settle. So I'm going to put my hand on it. A nice lean going on it there. There's that camera. Yeah, I got some nice forward lean on it now. That doesn't want to go in. Let's see if I can push that a little further. We'll try this again. Come on. It's tangled up with the other tree up there. See if we can get a wedge. Yeah, we can get a wedge in there. Oh, okay, we got a cross wedge in there. And there's my lanyard. As I was driving it, I could hear a couple limbs up above pop apart. Okay, now back up and look. And you see I got a lot of lean on it now, but it's resting on the crown of that other white oak up there. And when you get it that far, it's not coming back. So I'm going to knock my wedges out. See if you just sprang back a tiny bit. Okay. Okay. So that's going nowhere. It will come down eventually. So I'm going to cut the sapwood off on both sides and go on to the next tree. Well, I reached in over here. I reached in here right here and just nipped the hinge a little bit. Saw the tree settle there. Came over here and started nipping, and that tree just rolled right over. Real pretty. It just it did almost a 180 there. You see it's off of that crown now, laying down across that double that I dropped earlier. So anyway, got that down safe. So yeah, that nipping the hinge to let it roll, that works a lot of the times. You just have to be real careful not to get your saw hung up. I have the most trouble hanging up my saw when I'm cutting little stuff, cutting little things around the base. They'll be loaded more than you think, and they'll reach down and grab your saw, and they'll have to take the axe and cut them loose. That's a royal pain. But so far I haven't had a saw stuck in one of these hinge nips. But got to be careful. I don't want to get cocky about that.